Anti-theft devices are just one of the many ways to help trim your auto insurance costs. Hi, I'm Ralph Mantooth, an independent agent representing Erie Insurance. We've been able to help hundreds of customers save money on their auto insurance through the Erie's many discounts. Maybe we can save money for you too. Stop in and see us today at the Mantooth Insurance Agency at 1201 East Main in Plainfield, or call us at 839-5050.
What are we going to do about all these bills?
Auto insurance is an important part of your family's budget. Doesn't it make sense to get the best coverage you can at a price that meets your budget? Mantooth Insurance Agency has helped hundreds in the Hendricks County area save money on their auto insurance. Maybe we can help you too. Stop in and see us today at the Mantooth Insurance Agency at 1201 East Main in Plainfield, or call us at 839-5050.